back to my channel. Today I am riding from Bangalore to Hubli, and this is my ride for today. Classic 350 diesel storm, and there is a riding group there. Yes, I am not riding with them. I am riding alone. So I left Bangalore around 9. It's 9:40, and I'm near Tumkur. I think I might reach Hubli around 1 or 2 o'clock. So stay tuned.
The climate is really good. I don't think it's gonna rain. I hope it's not gonna rain. It's not too sunny or too cold. It's 11 in the morning, and I can say climate is my side today. I did the top speed of 120 kilometers on this bike. It might go another 5 more kilometers, but I don't want to rev it that much. But it really cries for help, man, after 100 kilometers per hour.
So hey guys, I'm near to Chitralurga. You can see the greenery and the windmill in the back. So Chitralurga is around 20 or 15 kilometers from here. It will take another 15 minutes to reach, I guess. And I'll be stopping to an coffee day, which is around 70 kilometers from here. So everything is going great. Bike is going great, except the vibrations. But my gloves are helping me to erase off some vibrations. Except that everything is fine. And the climate is really nice, man. You know, I would love to ride in this climate. This is a kind of climate every rider dreams of. So everything is going smooth. Hope it doesn't rain. So let's meet you guys in so that's the rider buddy. So let's meet you guys in coffee day. Well, hey guys, just had a coffee here and took a little break. It is next to the highway, Bangalore Mumbai highway, and I'm close to Davangere now. It might take another 2.5 to 3 hours if it doesn't rain, and everything is going smooth till now. So enjoy the show, guys.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah, take you like a pill. Get my fill.
Hey guys, I could not do the complete recording of the destination because it started raining heavily when I reached near my destination. So I stopped recording, and even my battery of the action camera died. So I could not record it properly. So I'm just voice overing and concluding the video. So sorry for that, guys, and thanks for watching. Thank you so much, guys. Until next time, see you.